Hi, I'm Bridget from eCloth, and today we are going to show you how our shower cleaning kit is your partner in fighting soap scum. This is our shower cleaning cloth, and how I know is there's a tag on the cloth that says shower cloth. All our kits come with a thin glass and polishing cloth, and they come in different colors. Always think of this cloth as your new paper towel, and how you will remember it is it's thin like a paper towel. This is how and where I use my shower cleaning cloth with the glass and polishing cloth. I wet the thick cleaning cloth first under my faucet, and I wipe down the shower glass doors and walls and all the surfaces inside and outside the shower to remove soap scum, dirt, and grime. I then dry and polish the clean surfaces with my glass and polishing cloth. After I'm done cleaning, I rinse the cloth out well under the faucet with warm water to make sure I get all the dirt and grime out of the cloth. Then I hang the cloth to dry until it's time to use again. I don't have to rinse the glass and polishing cloth because I used it to dry the surface, but I do want to hang it to dry and have it ready for my next use. This glass and polishing cloth is one you will want to have multiples of. I now use them like I would paper towels, and I just love the smooth finish they leave after I've cleaned. When you clean with eCloth and water, your surfaces stay cleaner. The shower cleaning cloth and glass and polishing should be washed in the washing machine weekly with regular detergent, no bleach, fabric softener, or dryer sheets, and then they can go in the dryer or be line dried. Thanks so much for watching. Please like and subscribe and comment below to let us know how clean your showers are after you use the shower cleaning kit. See you soon.